Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? Meet the Apple AirTag. This tiny, powerful Bluetooth tracker is the ultimate solution for keeping tabs on your most valuable items. What truly sets AirTag apart is Apple's incredible precision finding. Using Ultra Wideband technology, it guides you directly to your lost item with on-screen directions, showing exactly how far away and in what direction it is. Setting up your AirTag is ridiculously simple. Just a one-tap process with your iPhone, and you're instantly connected and ready to track. And don't worry about everyday mishaps. Its IP67 water and dust resistance means it can handle splashes, spills, and dusty adventures without a problem. Unlike other trackers, the AirTag leverages Apple's vast Find My network, meaning billions of Apple devices worldwide help locate your lost items, even if they're far away. If you're looking for the best Bluetooth tracker to secure your essentials, the Apple AirTag 4-pack is an absolute game-changer. You can grab yours today by clicking the Amazon link in the description below. It's an investment in peace of mind, making it one of the smartest electronics purchases you'll make in 2025. Don't wait. Secure your valuables with AirTag and never stress about losing things again.